Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick short preview of what the vacuum cleaner can do. I've been going around the market comparing, and I got two different models that actually do the same purpose. So this is a short video of how good and powerful and efficient it is. But please click subscribe and stay tuned for part 2. Did you like it? Please click subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that as soon as I'm uploading part 2 with the details and the comparisons, you are the first one to get this video. Then you can decide the review is good, the findings are good. Stay hooked, and thank you for your time.